21 of the 26 letters of the alphabet are called consonants. The other 5 letters are called vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Sometimes Y and W act as vowels too, but most of the time they act as consonants. The consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Consonant sounds. The consonants and the sounds of the consonants are B, as in bus, C, as in cat, D, as in dog, F, as in fox, G, as in goat, H, as in hen, J, as in jet, K, as in kite, L, as in lamp, M, as in monkey, N, as in nose, P, as in pen, Q, as in queen, R, as in ring, S, as in sun, T, as in turtle, V, as in violin, W, as in wig, X, as in X-ray, Y, as in yo-yo, Z, as in zebra. I just learned the consonant sounds B, C, D, and F with a B here and a K there. Here a D, there a F, everywhere a B. I just learned the consonant sounds B, C, D, and F.